crunchy and bright. D is for date, a chewy delight. Fruity, veggie, A to Z. Sing along and learn with me. Tasty, healthy, good to eat. Every letter, every treat. E is for eggplant, purple and long. F is for fig, soft yet strong. G is for grapes, purple or green. H is for honeydew, fresh and clean. Fruity, veggie, A to Z. Sing along and learn with me. Tasty, healthy, good to eat. Every letter, every treat. I is for iceberg lettuce, crisp and cool. J is for jackfruit, spiky but so full. K is for kale, super strong. L is for lemon, sour all along. Fruity, veggie, A to Z. Sing along and learn with me. Tasty, healthy, good to eat. Every letter, every treat. M is for mango, juicy and bright. N is for nectarine, a peachy delight. O is for orange, round and sweet. P is for pepper, mild or heat. Fruity, veggie, A to Z. Sing along and learn with me. Tasty, healthy, good to eat. Every letter, every treat. Q is for quince, golden and rare. R is for radish, crunchy with flair. S is for strawberry, tiny and red. T is for tomato in salad or bread. Fruity, veggie, A to Z. Sing along and learn with me. Tasty, healthy, good to eat. Every letter, every treat. U is for ugly fruit, tangy and bold. V is for vanilla bean, sweet to hold. W is for watermelon, juicy and grand. X is for Emia, bright and round. Y is for yam, orange and bright. Z is for zucchini, green and light. Now we've sung from A to Z, fruits and veggies just like me. Fruity, veggie, A to Z. Sing along and learn with me. Tasty, healthy, good to eat. Every letter, every treat. A is for apple, red and so sweet. B is for bear with big furry feet. C is for cat, it purrs all night. D is for dolphin, a swimmer so bright. Come along, let's take a trip on an alphabet adventure ship. From A to Z, we'll laugh and play, learning letters all the way. E is for eagle, soaring so high. F is for fish in the water nearby. G is for garden, where green things grow. H is for horse, so fast it can go. Come along, let's take a trip on an alphabet adventure ship. From A to Z, we'll laugh and play, learning letters all the way. I is for igloo, cold and round. J is for jungle, where tigers are found. K is for kite that flies in the breeze. L is for lion, the king of the trees. M is for moon that lights up the night. N is for nest, a bird's cozy sight. O is for octopus with 8 long arms. P is for panda with cuddly charms. Come along, let's take a trip on an alphabet adventure ship. From A to Z, we'll laugh and play, learning letters all the way. Q is for queen with the crown on her head. R is for rabbit that hops on its bed. S is for star that twinkles so bright. T is for train on tracks through the night. U is for umbrella on a rainy day. V is for violin that we love to play. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for xylophone with music so true. Y is for yak on a snowy hill. Z is for zebra with stripes to thrill. Now we've reached the end, it's plain to see. The alphabet is fun for you and me. Come along, let's take a trip on an alphabet adventure ship. From A to Z, we've laughed and played, learning letters every day. A is for alligator, snapping with a grin. B is for bear, so big and strong within. C is for cat, it purrs and loves to play. D is for dog, it barks all night and day. Animal phonics, come and sing along, learning every letter with a fun-filled song. From A to Z, the animals we'll see. Let's learn together, it's as fun as can be. E is for elephant, with the trunk so long. F is for frog, it leaps and sings a song. G is for giraffe, reaching for the sky. H is for horse, galloping right by. Animal phonics, come and sing along, learning every letter with a fun-filled song. From A to Z, the animals we'll see. Let's learn together, it's as fun as can be. I is for iguana, crawling in the sun. J is for jaguar, it runs and runs for fun. K is for kangaroo, it jumps up really high. L is for lion, hear its mighty cry. M is for monkey, swinging in the trees. N is for nightingale, singing with such ease. O is for owl, hooting in the night. P is for penguin, waddling left and right. Animal phonics, come and sing along, learning every letter with a fun-filled song. From A to Z, the animals we'll see. Let's learn together, it's as fun as can be. Is for quokka, with a smile so bright. R is for rabbit, hopping on its feet. S is for snake, it slithers on the ground. T is for tiger, prowling all around. U is for urchin, spiky but polite. V is for vulture, flying out of sight. W is for whale, splashing in the sea. X is for xeris, a squirrel on the sand so free. Y is for yak, it's fluffy and so strong. Z is for zebra, its stripes can't be wrong. We've learned our letters from A to Z, with animals so wild and full of energy. Animal phonics, we've sung it all today, learning every letter in a joyful way. From alligator to zebra and everything between, we'll remember them forever. What a team! A for astronaut, floating high, exploring stars up in the sky. B for bull, bounce and play, bounce it high and far away. C for car, beep beep beep, driving safely down the street. D for drum, tap tap tap, make some music, clap clap clap. Sing with me, phonics fun, letters learning one by one. Listen close, loud and clear, phonics fun, let's cheer, cheer, cheer. E for egg, white and round, crack it open, hear the sound. F for flag, waving high, colors dancing in the sky. G for guitar, strum a song, sing and dance and clap along. H for hat, on my head, blue or yellow, green or red. Sing with me, phonics fun, letters learning one by one. Listen close, loud and clear, phonics fun, let's cheer, cheer, cheer. I for ice cream, cold and sweet, perfect snack to cool the heat. J for jelly, jiggly treat, soft and yummy, fun to eat. K for kite, soaring high, up into the sunny sky. L for leaf, green and light, floating softly out of sight. Sing with me, phonics fun, letters learning one by one. Listen close, loud and clear, phonics fun, let's cheer, cheer, cheer. for moon, glowing bright, lighting up the sky at night. N for nose, sniff, 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 smelling cookies, take a whiff. O for orange, juicy round, falling gently to the ground. P for pencil, writing clear, drawing pictures far and near. Sing with me, phonics fun, letters learning one by one. Listen close, loud and clear, phonics fun, let's cheer, cheer, cheer. Q for quill, feather pen, writing stories now and then. R for rainbow after storm, colors bright and gently warm. S for star, sparkle bright. T for train, speeds in sight. U for umbrella, rainy day. V for vise, flowers stay. W for window, look outside. X for xylophone, music time. Y for yogurt, tasty treat. Z for zoo, fun in town. Sing with me, phonics fun, letters learning one by one. Listen close, loud and clear, phonics fun, let's cheer, cheer, cheer.